How to get Spotify Wrapped. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can get Spotify Wrapped, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to get Spotify Wrapped, all you have to do is open the Spotify app. And here, if you look at the very top, you have a new icon here that says Wrapped. Now, Spotify Wrapped is basically the most popular that is wrapped globally, and all of these popular songs that you might have and that you might want to listen to. If you're not seeing the Wrapped option on Spotify, it could most likely be because you have not updated it. So open up your Play Store and then simply search for the Spotify application over here. And once you search for the Spotify application, you should be able to see Spotify, and then make sure that if there is an update button, make sure to update it to the latest version. And once done, you can just go ahead and update it. Once you update it to the latest version, open it up, and now you should be able to see the Wrapped section that you might have. This way you'll be able to find and actually get Spotify Wrapped. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.